How about My Singing Bird?
That is a good slow song. And it's another bird song. Very good.
What does it mean? It means little bird. Thank you. You're welcome. I have seen a lark so high at morn to sing a in the blue. I have heard the blackbird pipe its song, the thrush and the linnet too. But none of them can sing so sweet, my singing bird, as you. My singing bird, as you. If I could lure my singing bird from its warm and cozy nest, if I could catch my singing bird